Imagine an alien visitor zipping through our solar system, brushing past Mars like an uninvited guest at a cosmic party. Now that's the kind of headline that makes you sit up and take notice. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this interstellar object, 3I/Atlas, be more than just a wandering rock from another star system? As we dive into the latest fuzzy snapshots, let's unpack the mystery and see what science and a little speculation reveals. On October 3rd, 2025, the enigmatic interstellar object known as 3I/Atlas made its closest approach to Mars, zooming by at a mere 29 million kilometers, close enough to make astronomers' hearts race with excitement. For those new to this, interstellar objects are rare wanderers from beyond our sun's family, not bound to any star, and 3I/Atlas is one of the few we've spotted up close. The sharpest views of it came from the HiRISE camera aboard NASA's Mars Reconnaissance orbiter. This powerful tool, with its 50-centimeter wide lens, achieved an incredible spatial resolution of 30 kilometers per pixel. To put that in perspective, it's like being able to see details on Earth from space that are finer than what the Hubble Space Telescope captured in its image from July 21st, 2025. You can check that out here. https://article/10.io.org/article/103847/2041-8213/ADF8D8/PDF. HiRISE outperformed Hubble by about 3 times in clarity, giving us a better look at this cosmic traveler. And this is the part most people miss. The images aren't just pretty pictures. They're clues to whether 3I/Atlas is a natural comet or something weirder. Just yesterday, the insightful Congresswoman Anna Paulina Loon shared this on Twitter, sparking buzz across social media. Press enter or click to view image in full size. This comes hot on the heels of a Defensoscope article titled, U.S. Government Grapples with Questions About Interstellar Object 3I/Atlas Amid Shutdown, which you can read here. https://11/04/3I-Atlas-Comet-11/04/3I-Atlas-Government-Monitoring-Mysterious-Interstellar-Object. It's all about how officials are monitoring this object closely, especially during the ongoing U.S. government shutdown that's holding up the official release of those HiRISE images. While we're eagerly awaiting the end of the shutdown and the unveiling of NASA's top-notch photos, the China National Space Administration, CNSA, has stepped in with their own release here. https://www.cnsa.gov CN/6758823/and6758838/C10715343/content. HTML. On that same October 3rd date, their Tianwen-1 Mars orbiter snapped pictures from about 28.96 million kilometers away from 3I/Atlas. Tianwen-1, which arrived in orbit around Mars back in February 2021, carries a high-resolution imaging camera, HiRISE. This camera uses a primary mirror just 38.7 centimeters across, which means its resolution isn't quite as fine as HiRISE's 50-centimeter setup. Think of it as a decent camera versus a pro one for capturing distant details. Still, the HiRISE images reveal the object's nucleus, the solid core, and a hazy coma around it, stretching several thousand kilometers. For beginners, a coma is like a fuzzy cloud of gas and dust that surrounds the nucleus, often making comets look like they're glowing as they heat up. To make sense of its path, CNSA scientists created a cool animation based on a series of 30-second exposures showing 3I/Atlas's trajectory across the Martian sky. You can watch it here. https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=KOQJ2MPN8low. It's a fascinating way to visualize how fast and unpredictably these interstellar visitors move. Here's the kicker. With the U.S. shutdown causing delays, China's quick release feels like a diplomatic flex in space exploration. Is this just friendly competition, or does it highlight tensions in international science? Fingers crossed for those superior HiRISE images from NASA soon. They might finally answer if 3I/Atlas is a standard comet or something manufactured by an advanced civilization. Speaking of which, what do you think? Could this object be proof of extraterrestrial tech, as some speculate, or is it all just natural cosmic debris? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you agree with the hype, or see it as overhyped nonsense? About the author. Press Enter or click to view image in full size. Avi Loeb serves as the head of the Galileo project, where he leads efforts to search for signs of life beyond Earth. He's also the founding director of Harvard University's Black Hole Initiative, director of the Institute for Theory and Computation at the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, and was the chair of Harvard's Astronomy Department from 2011 to 2020. Loeb has held prestigious roles, including membership on the President's Council of Advisors on Science and Technology and chairing the Board on Physics and Astronomy of the National Academies. He's the best-selling author of Extraterrestrial, The First Sign of Intelligent Life Beyond Earth, available here, https://www.harpercollins.com/extraterrestrial-avi-loeb?variant=$3993533041872 and co-author of the textbook, Life in the Cosmos. Here, https://www.hupeat@harvard.edu/catalog PHP?ISBN =9780674987579, both from 2021. His latest work, the paperback edition of Interstellar, hit shelves in August 2024. Grab it here, https://www.harpercollins.com/products/interstellar-avi-loeb-1?variant=$40982888415266